Pasado. 2.
Hindi naman kasi ako marunong. Sila Angela at Alpha ang nagbibidyo. Wala po, may pinuntahan.
Kawagtan number 9, dribbling the ball. To number 50, Kawagtan again. Divided by Simon. Rebound by Simon, pass to number 12. Wala. Save ball tayo, save ball. Save ball tayo. Leading na A-ball. Agustin. Pass to Pasalo. Ang ganda nun. Pasalo. Kawagtan. Dribbling the ball. Number 9, Kawagtan. Pass to Kawagtan, number 15. Pass to Kawagtan again. Still by Simon. Simon dribbling the ball. Simon, dinerecho. Sure. That is a former MVP region last year. Simon. Number 13 dribbling the ball. Na-steal natin Pasalo. Pasalo. Smiling boy. 3. Wala. Rebound by Solomon. To Simon. To Solomon. Pinasabit pa. Kawagtan. Kawagtan to Kawagtan. Kawagtan to Sicilias. To Kawagtan again. To Bukarit for 3. Bang! Bukarit 3 points. Solomon, dribbling the ball to Pasado, number 25. Sure. Pinamama lang ni Pasado. To Kawagtan. Kawagtan again, number 15. Dribbling the ball, pass to number 24 for Galen for 3 again. Wala. 21 Solomon, pass to Pasado. Pasado, number 25. Dinerecho. Pasok again.
OMG.
Kawagtan. Wala. Sicilias. Sicilias to Kawagtan. Nakuha ni Simon. Simon dribbling the ball. Simon again. Uy! Simon. Simon to Solomon. Time to shoot. Solomon. Wala. Agustin. Sicilias dribbling the ball, number 33. To Kawagtan. To Sicilias again. Sicilias. Foul. Substitution. Bukarin out. Dibuska E. Sicilias E out. Reyes E. Ingay B ball. 12-6 favor of Ingay A. Kawagtan number 15. Kawagtan number 15 pass to Dibuska. Wala. Kawagtan again number 15.
Shoot!
Pass to Reyes number 2.
Shoot, Reyes!
Eight to shoot. Pass to Kawagtan number 15.
Shoot na! Shoot!
All now. So yung ano nila, Weasel. Foul by number 21. Pascal talaga yun. Time to shoot, time to shoot. Wait, time to shoot ka, time to shoot. Kawagtan. Kawagtan, to Kawagtan. Solomon, Dinerecho, Solomon. Wala. Oh, Pasalo. Yeah, now out. Mamitag in, number 28. Solomon. Inbound by Solomon. Dinedepensahan ni Kawagtan, number 9. Oh, pinagpap. Wala, Pasalo. Rebound ni Agustin. Agustin, shoot.
No.
Wala. Solomon again. Wala pa rin. Kawantan rebound by Kawantan, number 9. Pass to...
Oh my God.
Kawantan again. Still ni Agustin. Oh, Agustin again. Agustin again. Pass to... Navarro, wala. Pasalo again. Ibuska, dribbling sa ball. Ibuska. Tukawagdan, number... Steal again by Agustin. Magaling mag-steal to.
Oh my God.
Kawagdan. 45 seconds remaining. Agustin again. Steal again. Wala. Simon dribbling the ball. Simon. Crossover. Shoot. Wala. Oy. Rebound ni Ibuska. Ibuska. Uy. Pasalo. Steal ni Pasalo. 20 seconds remaining. Wala nang shot clock ha. Last shot. Last. Wow, Simon. Ha? Offensive yan, offensive. Offensive foul. Ibuska. 13 seconds remaining. 13 seconds pa yan. Matagal pa yan. Reyes for 3! 3 seconds remaining. Shot by Simon. 2. Baby. Feeling empty ball. Ibuska. Inbound. Oy! I-score tayo! Bola nila doon. Change score! Change score tayo. Dito kayo, di ba? Doon sila. Dito kayo, dito. Inbound, inbound. Ulit. Dito, sa gitna. Feeling empty. Diyan, yung inbound. Doon, sa kabila. Bigay mo na eh. Inbound na, inbound. Feeling ball. Kawagdan, inbound by Kawagdan to Ibuska. Ibuska pinasa kay Reyes. Wala. Feeling a ball. Simon, dribbling the ball. Simon. Oy! Agustin. Agustin. Ano, pulang siya!
Ang sakit ang mga semento yun. Ay, oo, may bote.
Sino foul? Number 2. Taas ang kamay, number 2. Sino na foul? Sino pa yung foul? Number 2. Ay, sarap tanda na natin. Kaya ba na? Hindi shooting foul. Inbound na, inbound. Kanino po na? Ligling A. Ay, ligling A, B. A. Agustin yan eh. Agustin. Pasa kay Kawagdan, number 9. Hindi heavy ball. Kawagdan! Chris! Yan ang nasanin yan! Dribble ba yung Kawagdan? Hindi heavy ball! Hogdan, improvise ko Hogdan, pass to Mamitag. Mamitag to Ibuska. Foul. Shooting foul po tayo dyan. Shooting foul, free throw. Ibuska, 2 free throws. First attempt. Shout out to our fan there, Taylor Paser. Buska, pasok. Last roll, Buska. Wala. Buska, for 3. Wala pa rin. Last touch by Orange. Ilingay. Simon control the ball. Hindi makita. Hogdan. Oh, foul tayo dyan. Foul! Foul tayo doon, foul! Foul! Foul dyan. Foul na ganda yung may jump ball. Foul tayo dyan. Oh, yun! Basket! Ang galing-galing na ibus ka tapos wala? Ang galing talaga. Foul! Foul! Foul ka wag dyan! Ay! So naman! Penalty! Number 15 out! Sino yun? Siya mag-shoot. Free throw by Kawakan number 15.
Shooting.
2 free throw. First attempt, wala. Second free throw. May shoot ba?
Shoot.
Wala pa rin. Rebound by Solomon. Solomon Junior Division. Number 15, out. Traveling AB, Hogdan. Pasok si Cabalde. Number 92. 16-10. Rebound AB. Hogdan number 9. Rebound. Pass to Mamita number 28. Dribble. Pass to Martin. Martin number 6. Ay, Solomon. Formagat! Ibuska to Martin. Inabalik the ball to Ibuska. Pass to Mamitan. Pass to number 32 Kapalde. Simon, de derecho. Wala. Rebound by Kawagdan. Pass to Ibuska. Proceed, wala. Kawagdan, rebound again. Ibuska, remake the ball. Zero! Super layup by Ibuska. Kawagdan Cabalde. Time out! Rebound by number 28, pass to Solomon, diretso. Solomon! Hogdan! Ibuska! Wala. Ibigay a ball. Substitution. Simon out. Goros. Gustin in. Solomon. Kinagat. Wala. Foul! Sino yung foul? Foul number 2. Wala pa penalty, wala pa. Penalty na, penalty.
Wala lang player pin.
Penalty, penalty. Solomon! Pasok!
Ayan yung referee nila. Parang ako, sabihin nga natin yung pasok.
Solomon again! Pasok!
Yeah!
Batang-bata!
Ang galing.
Oh!
Ayan, foul!
Kaya. Oh!
Foul! Sam, Solomon! Solomon to Agustin! Uy, magmarmak ko naman. Agustin, pasok! Agustin! Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 9, Kawagdan.
Ay! Nakatinandoy ako!
Number 2, Agustin! Wala pa rin. Agustin again, Kawagdan. Rebound sa ball. Pass to Martin! Martin! Pass to Ibusco! For 3! Wala pa rin. Diretso ni Agustin. Agustin! 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 Baby ni Agustin! Sige, Agustin! For 3! Wala pa rin.
Wala.
Agustin! Rebound by Reyes. Steal again.
Jake, si Makmak.
Oh.
Jake, ano?
Sa number 0. Pass to Ibusca. Diretso ni Ibusca. Ibusca. Foul! Wala. Free throw.
Yan yung crush niya. Pangit. Yan yung crush niya.
Free throw by Ibusca number 16. 2 free throws. 22-10. Favor of Team Pilipinas. First attempt. Pasok. Wala pa pala.
Pasok.
Wala. Reyes, rebound! Reyes again! Foul! Foul again! Shooting foul. Kawagdan now, number 9. To Centurias, number
Pasok
13.
naman na. Kahit yan na lang pasok. Yes.
Reyes, pasok! First attempt. Last row by Reyes.
Pasok.
Pasok!
Yes.
Puro pabor yun na. Number 12. Dribbling the ball. Number 12. Number 12 to Agustin. Pasok.
Pwede pala lumagpas dyan sa may
Quintillas. Kaya sa Quintillas wala. Reyes. Quintillas Reyes. Traveling. Tinawagan kayo ng kasama niyo, traveling. Walang kasama dito. Sorry. Agustin, dribbling sa ball. To Agustin. Agustin! Binagbag! Oh, nakinabuhan pa rin. Busca na number 2. Reyes dribbling sa ball. Dribbling again.
Kuya, kaya ayaw mo.
Agustin to Simon. Simon dribbling sa ball. 5 minutes remaining. So Solomon. Pasalo again. Wala pa rin. Pasalo again. Agustin dribbling the ball. Bogdan, number 15. Foul! Foul na foul! Sino foul? Rep! Oh, Agustin! Nakasikal ka na. Agustin ah!
May pito kasi hindi magtong.
Alaman.
May pito, oh, may pito.
Last. Oh, Bogdan! Bogdan! Nakuha ni Solomon. Good. Bogdan again.
Parang pinatikim lang. Ay, di
Again.
formal.
Simon again. For three. Wala pa rin. Martin, rebound the ball. And foul. Foul by Solomon. Solomon? Oh, foul by Solomon. Heavy ball. Penalty. Sa kabila po tayo. Sa kabila. Sa kabila po tayo. Substitution. Solomon out. Junior Solomon. Alis ka na dyan.
Junior? Ah. May nakapasok na ano.
Martin. Free throw. First free throw. First attempt, may shoot kaya?
Shoot.
Wala. Second attempt by Martin number 6. Martin number 6. Shoot. Pasok. Solomon. Solomon to pasalo. Pasalo again. Wala. By Solomon. Pasalo. Bogdan to number 24. Bumarin. Pass to Martin. Simon. Pasalo. Complete goal. Shot by Solomon. 3 minutes and 27 seconds remaining to our last quarter. Solomon. Pass to Simon. Wala. Rebound by Golden number 9. Still ulit ni Pasalo. Pasalo number 25. Golden number 9. To Martin. Golden again. Simon.
Asa na mga kakamay?
Solomon.
Ng red.
Pasok. Big goal. Number 24. Bukarin. Pasok. 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining. Simon number 12. Dribbling the ball. 8 seconds violation. Dribble na kasi. Time out. For a bringing ID. IA, brother. Hinging heavy ball. Pass to Ibuska. Dribbling the ball. Yes.
Ay!
Yan. Rebound by Kawanjan.
Diretso na.
Ibuska dribbling sa ball. Oy! Yan. Still by Reyes. 2 minutes remaining.
Dali! Dapat
Kawanjan.
agad-agad.
Nakuha ni Agustin. Kawanjan again. Rebound by Kawanjan. Dami ng rebound ni Kawanjan. Agustin. Rebound by Still by Agustin. 2 contact. Contact number 9.
Pagod na siya.
Penalty. Siguro nakasampo ng rebound siya, no? Contact. One minute and 34 seconds remaining. Cogdan, 2 free throws. Number 9. Wala. Cogdan number 9. Last throw. Wala pa rin. Rebounding Agustin. Agustin, dinerecho. Layup. Pasok. Reyes, dribbling the ball. Reyes, dinerecho. Robbery.
Mitch.
Leaning AA ball. Takes up. Substitution. Takes back na sabi ni Cintilias. Yung mga nandiyan sa loob, lumamas na. Chase back. Shout out sa boss namin. Boss B, Pistasyon. Pamilya na boss. Pogi-pogi mo, boss. Inbound by Agustin. Agustin. Sino ba? Agustin. Agustin. Wala pa rin rebound kay Julian. Yan yung bola. Ringling IB. Oy! Baka bait na kayo dyan ah! Sobra kayo isa! Ay, gusto niya 10-10! Ringling IB ball! Ringling IB, 1 minute remaining! Get ready! Junior Division, first game! Yadaw! Ibabay Yadaw! Pinaagaw! Pasok sa kalaban, huli yan! Junior ulit, pinasa sa kalaban ulit!
Ano ba yan?
Agustin! Agustin ulit! Trap-trap na sila guys!
Sino?
Travis, towards the ball. Agustin again. Oy! Pasok! 27